Okay, then in this video we'll discuss how to change list items as well as how to add new items to the list. So let's start with the first one. So from the previous video, you know that if you would like to change the value of a specific item, you need to specify index, like in here, and then you need to specify a new value. But Python also allows you to change a range of item values. And it's really handy when you want to change multiple items at the same time. So for instance, if you would like to change James and Anna at the same time, you can specify a range and then new values. So for instance, in here, let's say I would like to change James and Anna. That's why I need to specify a range, and it's gonna be 0 to 2. And remember, finishing range or finishing value, this one will be excluded. So in this case, it's 2. So that means 0 and 1 index will be included, and then index number 2 will be excluded. So now in the brackets, I need to specify new values. So it's gonna be Laura and then Adam. That means now my new names list will be Laura, Adam, Simon, Simon. So let me print this one to the console so you can see it. You see now it's Laura, Adam, and then 2 Simons. Okay? So now let's discuss how to add new items to the list. So there is a very simple method called append, which you can use if you would like to add an element to the list. So I'll show you. So let's quickly create a new list, and it's gonna be fruits list. So I'll say banana, orange, and then the last item in there will be apple. So if you would like to add a new item to this list, so you can say fruits and then append, and then you need to specify a new item. So let's make it cherry. So my new fruits list will be then banana, orange, apple, and then cherry. So let's print this out to the console and let's check it. Oops. Let's check. So now as you can see, it's cherry now cherry has been added. And please pay attention that append method adds a new element to the end of the list. Okay? But if you want to add a new item at a specified index, you can use insert method. So I'll show you how. So let's say I would like to add a new item right after this banana. So banana, and then there should be my new item, and then orange, apple, cherry. Okay? So in that case, what you can do is you can say fruits, and then there is a method called insert. And this insert method accepts index value first, and then you need to specify a new item. So that means in here, I'm saying 1. So that means it will be right after banana. Okay, so let's print this one to the console. Fruits. So it's gonna be then banana, pear, orange, apple, and then lastly cherry. Yeah. So banana, pear, orange, apple, cherry. That's how you insert a new item at a specified index. So thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.